everyone. Welcome to our very first podcast.
We're super excited to be here and so glad you're tuning in.
I am Maria Skarwangi, but you can call me Mika.
And I am Clara Duleskelhu, but you can call me Adele.
We're both data science students and we're proud to be Virgos! In this podcast, we'll be talking about all the things we love, our hobbies, interests, and talents.
Yeah, whether it's what we do in our free time or random skill, we have to have fun and share it with you.
Okay, let's talk about fun facts. So my fun fact is I can stand with doing.
And for me, my fun fact is I love sleeping. I can spend my whole day to sleep.
Okay, we've got a lot to talk about, so sit back, relax, and let's dive in.
Let's get started. First, I want to talk about my hobby. My favorite hobby is I love watching movie, series, and I like to reading novel and comics. I can spend my whole day to do that.
Okay, Adele, what genres of movies and novel do you like?
This is kind of weird because I have different tastes for each of them. So for movies, I like action movie and I didn't watch horror movie because I'm a scary person. And next for series, I prefer romantic series. And then for novel and comics, I like action and romantic, but I prefer to read romantic novel and comics. For me, action is boring if it in series, novel or comics. So action is just in movie.
That sounds good. So could you mention one of your favorite movies?
Of course, I have classic one, a movie that everyone knows is Avengers movie. I'm so in love with that movie, and I can count how many times I rewatch it.
Which is the Marvel's movies that you like?
Avengers movie. My favorite is Endgame movie.
I like the one is Iron Man 3. Now, Adele, what is the thing that interests you the most to learn?
One thing I'm passionate to learn about is cooking. I especially like to learn new recipe about desserts and making sweet food.
Okay, since when did you like cooking?
I started cooking when I was in my elementary school, I guess in my last year. At first, I just trying to make my school lunch, and then after trying some new recipe, I found that myself in the kitchen is what's so happy. And after that, cooking is somehow interest for me. Especially when the pandemic comes, I spare my long time in home and I try a new recipe to explore my skill. And if I cook something for my family, they always give feedback like, oh, this one is so delicious, or like, please make it in another flavor. So I'm trying to always improve my skill in cooking.
So in the pandemic season, do you make some dalgona coffee too?
No, I don't like coffee at the time, but this after I being a college student, I love coffee.
I can drink coffee because
You have your
I can.
okay. There.
Okay, I think that good for you. You find good thing to learn from. Okay, let's leave. What is your talent, Adele?
Talent. Maybe I feel a little bit confused to talk about this. So if I go back to my childhood days, I do a lot of things to try find my skill or talents. I often participated in church voice or dance for service. I can say that I can dance and sing, but I don't think I can call it as a talent because I never been outstanding in it. So it's just like an average skill.
That sounds good, Adele. Whatever, at least you find your way in cooking, right?
Yep, so just like that, it's about my hobby, interest, and talent. Now we're going to talk about Mika! Okay Mika, now your turn. What is your hobby?
Okay, thank you, Adele. Okay, hello everyone. Today I like to share my two hobbies that bring me a lot of joy. So, singing and watching anime is my hobbies. Singing has always been a passion of mine and offering of therapeutic way to express my emotions. Practicing different techniques or explaining new genres and singing helped me to find creative expression and relaxation.
That sounds amazing. I can totally see how both singing and watching anime bring you creative side and outline. So let's talk about this.
Okay, another hobby that was I like it watching anime. So the new animation style and captivating storytelling always draw me in, and with genres ranging of the thrilling adventure to heartfelt dramas. Anime always need to explore different worlds and emotion like what is it? Blue Lock. One thing I love about it is the character is so handsome. Mostly Bachira. I like Bachira.
So it's your favorite anime?
Yes, of course, I like it. And Attack on Titans. You know, there is one character that I love it. It's Levi.
I know nothing about anime, so I don't know what you're talking about.
No, how could someone not in love with anime?
Because my genre movie is action, and I just love Avenger.
But there's kind of some same thing about like an action, like
The gender. But anime is series like Avengers. Is movie.
but there's like another episode.
Okay.
Marvel.
Okay.
You know, like
Okay.
Iron Man 1, 2, and 3, and continue with the end games and Wanda's invasions.
Okay, that makes sense. But at least Avengers is not just like in like 12 episodes. It's just like 1, 2, 3 or 5 movies, like just like that.
But there's like a season of the movie of Avengers, like.
Okay.
So, we're back. Okay, my hobby is singing and watching animals. That's all.
Wow, that's really interesting. Now, what is the most interesting things you learned about?
Okay, I'm so falling in love with coding. I like to learn about language programming like JavaScript, Python, C++, and Pascal. I always fantastic by how computer work, which is coding has become just the biggest interest of mine. And I enjoy the challenge of learning new something with coding, like I make some
Website?
No. Oh, I like doing to make some website, but I don't like how to HTML or CSS works, because you have to a lot of experience to make that and creativity. So I can do it because I don't have the creativity of make that website. But if I make some application like JavaScript or something to be big back end of that programming, I can. I do some data structure like data analyze or something with Python. I can, but I cannot do with HTML. That was so difficult.
So you can do JavaScript, HTML, and Python. But which one of them you like the most?
Java, because Java is so structural and clear. When you declare something is so clear. When you use Python, that was print hello world, but in Java you have to with print line or something. When you use different what is this? What kind of this? I don't know how to spell it.
Okay.
Something.
If I can ask you, what is your biggest struggle when you do programming?
Just lazy things. I like to do lazy things. That was my job. It was not clear at the time. So I think that program language is so easy when you know it. But if you have the lazy things, you can do it because you have to sleep for hour and your job will not gonna be work.
Okay.
And I'm always eager to take on new challenges and explore different areas with my interest in, why not with interest in programming language too.
Okay, that was so great that you interest in learn about Python, JavaScript, and HTML.
Do you like programming too, Adil?
A little bit. I don't like it, but I'm a data science student, so of course I have to try to love Python.
So one day we have been programming language about Python. She was mad about this programming because she can't do it.
And
It was not work.
it's okay. We have Mahisa. Okay. No, it's just kidding. I can do it, but just like I have to angry first, then I do it.
You have to improve your skills.
Okay. Okay, let's talk about your talent. The last thing we have to talk is about your talent. What is your talent?
Okay, I think that my talent is drawing a sketch because I love to drawing something, but not with a painting, yeah, not colorful, but in black and white sketching.
Oh,
yes,
yeah,
I
I
love
know.
sketching because when I see something, I think that was a beautiful things, like people standing with their families or something. I like to describe them with my sketching and with my exploring with my mind or something with my designs. I prefer to draw with my sketch.
Okay, so since when did you like to do sketching or drawing?
Since I was like maybe 4 years old,
Wow.
I think. But in the first one in my child, I was like to painting something because I love how to colorful, but as myself grow up, it feel like boring, I think.
So for now, did you still do it? Paintings? I mean, drawing and sketching. You still do it?
Yes. I have my collection in my drawing book, but one someday in my past, my mom throwing it out because she never wanted me to be an artist.
Wow, that's a
That
poor
was
story.
so sad.
For me, I don't have creative side that maybe, or I can say my art skill is so bad. I can draw, or if I try to make something like that, it's just a big no.
I think that was talent by people is so different. Like
Yes.
she's cooking and I'm drawing something.
Now cooking my hobby.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
I forgot about that.
Okay, it's okay. So every people have different hobby. Mahisa like drawing, and I'm maybe a little bit I can do is singing and dancing. So yeah, we have different. Okay, so I think that's all we are going to talk about.
See you next video and please keep on watching. Bye bye.